Zane Satchery, who has been tracking road conditions kind of from a bird's eye view with the state level of things. How are things looking?
Right, yeah, big picture wise here as we go into the afternoon, Jody, it's mostly just still either partially or mostly snow covered roads, depending where you're at. Now, if we zoom into southern Iowa just a little bit, that's where the heavier snow totals have fallen. This is where you've had more reports of several inches of snow. So if you go along Highway 92, Highway 34, down to even Highway 2, actually, I think especially towards Highway 92 and Highway 34 corridors, that's where we've had the most snow actually add up. You can see, you saw from Marcus's view a little bit a short time ago, you see the vantage point of the interstates. They're mostly fine, but maybe between lanes or on the shoulders, a little bit snowy. Here's this vantage point of I-35 at Mill Civic there on the southwest side of town. You can see one lane looks pretty clear. The other, it's kind of just some tracks that folks are having to drive through. Marcus also mentioned the entrance and off ramps here. Look at I-35 just at the Lamoni rest stop there, kind of north of town by Davis City. There's a lot of snow when you get off the interstate, but the actual main drags are fine. I would imagine probably your side streets and rural 2-lane roads are a little bit snowier than the 4 lanes, at least at this point in the day.
Zane, thank you. We're heading over to Ann now for the latest in the forecast. And you mentioned that the snow will be continuing to fall for the next several hours.
Yeah, and you can see it's coming down here in West Des Moines, and this view for us has worsened over the last 10 minutes or so. So some bursts of heavier snow are now making their way into the metro area. 13 degrees right now, feels like 0 in West Des Moines. Visibility's less than a mile in a lot of spots here in central Iowa, down to about a mile or less in Marshalltown, Ames and Boone. Same for downtown Des Moines, and we'll take a wider view, and that's the case for a lot of spots here across the state. So the snow continues to fall, and it will as we head into the afternoon hours. Those heavier bursts of snow coming in on radar with the very darker blues here. So anywhere from Des Moines, or I should say I-80 and points southward, that's where you have some of that heavy snow working its way in now for the lunch hour. Places like Liberty over towards Pella, along Highway 65 here, Indianola, Knoxville out towards Winterset. All looking at some bursts of heavier snow here, and that's going to put down some more totals for us, or at least add to the totals that we already have on the ground. Still thinking for most of us in central and southern Iowa, at least a good 5, maybe 7 inches on the high side for some of our friends down across the southernmost portion of the state. Temperatures are into the single digits out towards Audubon and Carroll. Feels like 8 below in Perry. Wind chills are going to be the issue as we head into the evening and overnight hours tonight. Feels like 2 below in Ankeny, close to that up in Ames and Marshalltown. And as Marcus mentions, there is a little bit of a breeze out there out of the north and east, sustained between about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So a little bit of blowing snow will likely be a concern here as we head into the afternoon and evening. But those wind gusts, I think, generally stay below about 20 miles per hour or so as we progress into the afternoon. Those snow showers, they continue here. We've got the burst of heavier snow right now, but it does wrap up, I think, as we head into the dinner hour tonight. 5, 6 o'clock this evening, snow will end here from west to east, and then everyone dries out overnight tonight. But it will be cold. The clouds hang on, and then eventually we see some overnight clearing by midnight likely. And then tomorrow we've got the sunshine, but it's going to be a frigid cold start to begin the day tomorrow, with wind chills potentially anywhere from 15 to 20 below, at least what it'll feel like tomorrow morning. So colder start to the day on Thursday once we get through the snow. Some of those snowfall totals up to about 6.5 inches in Pella, 5 inches down through Oskaloosa. Des Moines International Airport just got our latest report from them. We're up to about 4.5 inches, or just under that, at the airport, and West Des Moines at about 3 inches now. So we'll continue to update those totals for you as we head into the afternoon. Again, the wind chills really take a tumble here tonight by tomorrow morning, feeling like 20 to 25 below, the worst of it up across northern Iowa. And then we've got another cold night ahead with all that fresh snow by Thursday night into Friday morning. So it's a cold night tonight. Actual air temperatures dipping below 0 for many neighborhoods in central and especially northern Iowa. Tomorrow's forecast has us back single digits to low teens across central and southern Iowa. 8-day forecast keeps us cold and quiet tomorrow. Otherwise, low 30s on Friday after another cold start in the morning. A little bit of snow possible late Friday into Saturday, and then we're back down into the freezer by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week.